Hey guys, so today I want to show you some swatches and tell you a little bit about these lipsticks. These are the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea collection, and they just came out with 6 brand new lipstick shades for spring and summer. They're really bright and vibrant colors, so I wanted to show them to you in case you're interested in any of them. The one that I'm wearing right now is called Sundaze, and it is a bright orange. This is the one right here, and I feel like it goes really good with my eye look today. And just so you know, I ordered from the Tarte website, so this is the box that it comes in, and then inside it came with the paper, and these are just the boxes of the lipsticks. But I didn't have a problem with the order. Everything was on time, and I didn't have a problem with that, in case you've never ordered from Tarte's website. Okay, so those were all 6 of them, and I don't have a favorite. The ones that I was the most excited about was the one that I'm wearing right now, which is called Sundaze, and then the other one was Sea Goddess. I love purple, and that shade looked really nice on the swatches that Tarte has on their Instagram, and there was a girl trying all 6 of them on, and she looked just perfect in all shades. So Sea Goddess was one that I knew for sure I wanted to get. And then where's the other one? Weekender is more of like a wearable tone, but at the same time is very springy, very summery, so I really wanted that one too. So out of all 6 of them, I gotta say that my least favorite, because I know for sure I'll be wearing these. I love colors that have like an orange tone to it, and Weekender is like the perfect wearable shade for like spring and summer. It's still like a vibrant color, but it's more of a wearable one. Sundaze, the one that I'm wearing right now, is super orange. I love that. Cha-Cha is also a coral color, so it's more orangey red, pinkish in between there. Love that shade a lot. And then Sea Goddess, I love purple lipstick too. My least favorite, just because I don't really wear pink that much, are Hibiscus and Ocean Drive. This one is, oh, and I dropped it by the way, but super pink, like a neon pink. It really stands out. And Ocean Drive is a hot pink, so that one is very super vibrant. All of the shades are really creamy. They apply smoothly on the lips. They're not hard. They don't like skip. They're really easy to apply, and they apply evenly. And the only lipstick that I've ever tried from this line was a little deluxe, or it wasn't deluxe, it was like a little mini size lipstick, but it was a nude lipstick from Sephora Favorites little lip kits that they come with. So there was a tiny one in there, and that's the only one that I've ever tried from the Rainforest of the Sea line, but it was nude. So I had never tried their colored lipsticks, and I'm really happy with them. I feel like they're so smooth. It's a nice lipstick, and it's different from wearing a liquid lipstick all the time. And I wanted something other than a liquid lipstick looking super matte. You know, these are kind of like, these have a little bit of like a sheen to it. It's not complete matte, but it's not a gloss either. It's like right in between. It looks moisturizing, it feels moisturizing, and it is moisturizing. I don't have the little lines in between my lips. I don't feel like they're dry on my lips. I can talk, I can move my lips, everything just feels normal. They do transfer for sure, 100%. They transfer. If I drink from a cup, it will be on the cup. I honestly don't have anything to complain about them, like to say, oh, it sucks because of this, or it's not true to color. The way that you see it on the tube, the way that you see it in the tube is the way that it's gonna apply on your lips. Now, they do last for a long time, but they don't last forever. They do transfer and they do fade away, but it's not in an ugly way. Like after it's faded, it looks like a stain. If you like any of the shades, I would recommend it. The formula is really nice. It's really creamy, and overall, I don't have anything bad to say about the lipsticks. So hopefully guys liked this video and found it helpful. Let me know if you're gonna pick up any of these colors. Which one's your favorite? I honestly love all the oranges, especially for spring and summer. So that is it for today. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.